Boy, that turned out nice. So you started with the base cabinet and then you built the rest of it on.
Right, we were needing some extra counter space, and my husband built the top and added this section on to what we already had. And we just kept the wooden theme throughout the kitchen with the bull nose, and the legs matched the table that he built also, and it turned out real nice.
Oh, it sure did, even the backsplash there. Then I guess when you used the ceramic tile here on your counters and backsplash, of course you extended it there, but you guys were pretty ambitious, not just regular 4x4 tile, you put the inserts and all of that. How challenging was that?
It was a challenge, but you know, the outcome was good.
It really does look nice. Now, see, you have the stool under here. Does anyone ever really use this space?
My children use this to eat snacks or do homework, or give me advice in the kitchen while I'm cooking, so it's a good space.
That's perfect. I can see where that was well thought out, and again, countertop space is just so valuable.